Oh, Mad Dog Mountain Arts Adventure Channel, you guys, that was crazy. Molly Creek, the Cahooten Creek Road. I want to get over there so bad. I'd have to drop down the edge here. Isn't that nice? Look at that. The glacier would have been better. I'm so sorry, fans. Came up all this way. I should have just jumped out. I stood on the top of Rob's vehicle and got a good picture of it, but it was hard to. It's too. Look how bushy it is. It's too bushy. Even to get in there, it's bushy. Bushy, bushy, bushy. Look, all these logs. Nice trees though, eh? Ooh, nice trees. Hey, that's a nice tree you got over there. Nice bridge too. Maximum 60 tons. 60-ton bridge. I don't know where we're going to be able to pick any rock.
I'm gonna go out with you
Up this tree.
way back on.